my God!
What a jump! 1.1 million to 1.5. A knockout.
Acid green piping, front axle lift system, 2-zone air conditioning, Burmeister high-end surround sound package, multifunction steering wheel, acid green seatbelts. In flawless original condition, this hybrid boasts 887 horsepower with the PDK transmission.
That's right, Mike. 608 horsepower comes from a 4.6-liter V8, which runs on gas, and that's without a blower or a turbo. It's naturally aspirated. Has another 125 horsepower from the front axle electric motor and 154 from the rear axle's electric motor. Total 887.
All right, take your look inside. That is rarefied air right there. Actually, that center console reminds me of what you'd see in a McLaren. But look how it's carbon fiber coming down, beautifully designed all the way.
The opening bid was $1 million.
Let's keep in mind the base price on this was $847, and 918 of these were built between 2013 and 2015.
All right, not a gas cap right here. That's where you plug it in to get your battery power for the hybrid.
And interesting statistics is that you can run out of gas or have 2 liters of gas left, and you can actually recharge the batteries with as little as 2 liters of gasoline left on. Total range is 420 miles on a full tank of gas.
And notice the aerodynamics in the back, the splitter that comes across the back. That is amazing. This is a huge piece of technology, both aerodynamic and mechanically, and of course, electronically.
Now, even though we're at double the original sticker price, this is a reserve car. We're at $1.6 million bid.
187 horse, 595 miles.
I remember the first time I got a chance to see the Porsche 911 GT3 hybrid that they were racing with back in, I believe it was 2011 or so. That was an amazing piece of technology. That's the technology that worked its way into this. I got to tell you, even at $800,000, $850,000 for a sticker price new on this, you're not paying for the technology that's been built into this car.
The reserve is off. The car will sell.
Last chance, Weissach Edition, Porsche. Here we go.
Not a supercar, but a hypercar, and we're at hyper money right here.
And it's essentially a new car. It only has 595 original miles.
So far, the top sale of the auction is a Mercedes-Benz from 1939. It's about to be eclipsed by a 1-year-old Porsche. $1.6 million is the hammer price. And that is the top sale of Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale 2016 so far.